Hmm. Is there something else going on here? Is there something going on here? So we're talking about GameStop, right? Is there something going on here? I'm pretty certain that there is, and I think that what's happening with this is that what's gonna happen with this GameStop stuff is that when people cash out, that they're gonna just put it right into crypto, which is fucking awesome. you know, you know, definitely like that's some freaking good shit. Plus, assassinating these corporations, and it's just kind of crazy that that Robinhood decided to halt its sales and things of that nature. Basically what's happened is that they're under siege because this could be part of a money laundering scheme in a lot of ways, right? I mean, there's a lot of money on the line right here. And the thing is that maybe this whole GameStop thing, maybe that this is all a freaking setup. Maybe this is all freaking trap, too. So what's happened, is proven like, wow, people made, millions and stuff. And, good for them. But it's, I mean, who knows? I mean, if there's something that goes on, I mean, all that money and, could be gone. Plus, there could be fines included as well. And maybe in certain cases, there could be uh, um, jail time. But let's just kind of initial public offerings are in the spotlight this week thanks to Airbnb and Nasdaq. However, news today suggests that an even more exciting IPO could be coming in 2021. What is this? What is that IPO? Well, great. After great speculation, rumor has it that Robinhood is working with Goldman Sachs on a deal. So, what else do you need to know about a potential Robinhood IPO? To start, what is the latest set of rumors? Essentially, people familiar with Robinhood have more confirmation that a Robinhood IPO is coming in 2021. This is because the company has chosen to work with Goldman Sachs to lead its IPO prep. Additionally, this comes with an update to the Robinhood valuation. After its last funding round, the company behind the popular trading platform had a value of about 11.7 billion. Now, whereas just the true valuation is above 20 million, that is certainly capturing investor attention today. So, maybe these investors already are in on the game, right? Maybe investors are already in on the game and they've just been watching, because I don't think that they're, entirely stupid. It's not like this just happens, right? It just wasn't talked about. There's definitely been attention. And, so that's what I'm saying is like, people did this, it was risky, but at the same time, it could have been a lot efficient. And it could have been, okay, well, we're changing the game up. And Goldman Sachs is making the acquisition because, I believe, I'm not familiar with a lot of stock market and stuff. I believe that they're major hedge fund and such, but we'll get to actually, what? Hold on. Yeah, hold on a second. So, what is Goldman Sachs? From Goldman Sachs Group is a leading global investment banking, securities, and investment management firm that provides a wide range of financial services to a substantial and diversified client base that includes corporations, financial institutions, governments, and individuals. How does Goldman Sachs make money? Goldman Sachs takes large positions in certain stocks as well as options, futures, and other derivatives, which it can then sell, thus guaranteeing or at least facilitating a market in said securities. Institutional client services earned Goldman Sachs $13.48 billion in 2018, about 37% of the firm's revenue. And so, here, so with the recent activities in this article, I'm thinking that friggin', well, number one, like this stock, like I'm pretty certain Robinhood stock went up a lot. But I think that they're, basically freezing a lot of the assets because, which is friggin' fucked up, right? It's fucked up because um, basically there can't be, if people work together to put all this money in, there can't be one just large exodus. And that's what people were planning, but people got greedy. Certain that people got greedy, and it's like, oh wow, because things looked good and everything like that, and so now they're freezing them because, yeah, that's like pulling a plug out in a lot of ways, and that's why I say all that money exchanging bullshit, fucking bunch of crap, and like I believe in people, like employees should be able to buy stock, or like there is something about freaking put them on the stock exchange and things like that. Like people cash out, they invest in a company personally, but um, anyways, I'm sorry, I'm going on a tangent, and I'm only drank 1.5 beers to be honest with you. Right now, there's a lot to do with. We don't know about the Robinhood IPO. When will it come? According to Reuters, likely in 2021. However, the sources familiar with the company did caution that the timing of the market debut would change along with the market conditions. Right now, everything is red hot when it comes to new offerings. You can see evidence of the DoorDash and Airbnb, as well as massive IPO moves in companies like Palantir. Palantir, wow. No. Will Robinhood be able to ride the same wave? No, it freaking it creates create a freaking huge wave. You want to talk about market debut, right? And that's the thing is that, people have already invested. Well, I'm not too certain exactly how it is, but like that's the thing is like Robinhood has proven to be a very powerful source and a fierce contender on the stock market. And yeah, I mean, I think that it was pretty much beyond its control to, and it was told like, hey, um, no, like you can't do this, right? Like you gotta stop this. Um, and, excuse me, but I mean, additionally, we have no idea on the price range the IPO will be. However, so you know, evaluation. No, it's got to be at least freaking 80 million or a billion at this point. Hmm. And real quick before I leave, or go to it and check it out, freaking 80 billion is high, but probably 60. Well, let me actually put it together, but man, I should have been mess. I should probably get into Robinhood. Might as well. Um, so let me actually put it in correctly. Let's see. You're gonna let all right. Um, so I guess it's just been stagnant. Let me see. There have been billions on these investments. And so, freaking, see, people knew about this. They just didn't want to tell anyone else about it because, well, fuck, man. Damn. I'm actually kind of pissed off I didn't get in on that. And it's like, when's the next time that's going to happen? But, I know how to make freaking, I mean, at my thrift savings plan, I freaking did really good on that until I got divorced. So, like that's the damn thing is that people don't understand that there's actually a freaking. They know that there's just cyber war going on. Excuse me, this revolution, and so where where was it? Um, Security Exchange Commission part. I'm freaking sorry. Fuck this. Wow. Robinhood raises $1 billion as CEO defense actions amid GameStop frenzy. And that's the thing is that if Goldman Sachs is behind Robinhood, you know, that's a damn thing. Like this is I mean, it's a very speculative time right now, and um, so going public is the process by which a private company becomes a publicly traded company. To go public, a private company must stage an initial public offering, IPO, and register with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. An IPO is when shares of a company's stock are floated on the stock exchange or over the counter market and made available for purchase by members of the public. So, is Robinhood going public? What was that? I mean, so that's what I'm saying. I'm not a professional on this stuff, and I think that, this is definitely being um, targeted. Um, they're not telling. People are. Man, this is just kind of crazy because this is like a cyber attack in the eyes of people that want to put it that way. Like politicians, and especially because everyone's going to be considered a Russian hacker, a white supremacist. It's the alt right. These freaking loser ass gamers, and it's like, oh shit, well you're man, oh wow, and so how do you actually target this? Because it's daytime traders, ooh, instead of night traders, because people do the things in a freaking light when they're trying to be honest and truthful, and you know what? If they're gonna play at the game, the weekend too, and that's the thing is that Goldman Sachs is trying to improve its position and sees this strategy, and it's helping with these hits. Because this is definitely a news hit, right? Anyways, keep up the good work, y'all, and yeah, freaking I don't want to tell you what to do with your money. You just do what you do. But be careful. It is very volatile right now. And there is a good chance that freaking everything can be wiped out. Who knows? Freaking if they're going to play, some of these stupid games, where freaking, billionaires are right on TV because, oh my God, I've been making a living off of freaking people losing their jobs. I've been, instead of investing in the success of a company, I've been investing in the failure because you know what? I want it. Yeah, that's how I am. Little fucking tiny balls.